don't need. Play.
You know, so we don't agree.
Not easy make you play. You don't go stand up dance now.
But you don't talk now.
I stand up.
Now my brother song.
Wait a minute.
Who be that?
Not you like this.
Not be me. Now Inya the drum.
He don't do.
No. Now, it remained for easy to play. I know that you're feeling me from away. Oh, that song. I come listen to my boy. That is the song that used to turn my head. Yos.
Anyway, good evening and welcome to the night show for today. We'll be which day?
Leave the day.
Any day.
We don't say when I don't sit down for house.
We don't say when I don't sit down.
We don't see when I do it. It's like...
We don't see... Kai, Jehovah is Lord.
Nedu waiting now. No, you go office. Nedu go office work today. Nedu go work for bank. Hey!
I said this will work for bank. Did they try you?
No, Nedu
carry tie and knock your one key yourself.
But see as a video now. You can't wear black like Agboro, but your own confine. Agboro black suit in color.
Now, Agboro yesterday, you know, if in boxers now black too. In pants now black.
How you take no?
No, you want to go outside. You get waiting in bend down to take for pick something. Then I can't say, Agboro, your boxers is black. He say yes, man of God, he's black.
So Frank Bogero black yesterday.
For him.
Yeah,
anyway, now welcome on top of the night show for today. Me and Katim don't sit down. Like Katim is looking selsky, you know what I mean? Oh my God.
I'm on an Indian pea, Nedu. That they are down, so they dance like this, they shake head. But why did they do like that?
Is it bitch? Who give you jacket to wear? Which kind of laugh that one? Like person with the finger in spirit.
No, you don't say.
I know so. Oh, I never wear jacket before.
You don't know say it's a bit now. This year it's a bit stylish.
Come, this thing they come up from my ear. This people they do sound. When I know that people put this thing they come up for ear.
Maybe your ear don't expand. I use the tongue
now. Not what in my mind now before they go say they do spoil.
Why that thing go there you are mine? Why that thing go there you are mine?
If they do too much, you go expand now. If they put up, you go.
But see as you put up now, you don't enter now, you don't feed you. From where I sit down, you could soon come out. I know they do today na Tuesday, na Holy Tuesday,
anyway,
na Lent season.
Yes, Lent season. We are fasting.
So.
Today we're supposed to discuss another thing today, but because of say yesterday, from BME Music and those children when I see from BME Music yesterday.
Children.
Because of say we not discuss their matter yesterday, now we push them come today. Moku talk to them today. But today we still get topic 2 when we say we go discuss on top the night show. But before we start back for the night show, he get 2 things when we say we go like talk about. Just gist time. We not get the pictures. We for sure now, but some of the way the internet you go don't see them. Now,
because that thing.
Wait, 3 girls. 1 girl, 2 girls, 3 girls, sis. 3 girls, sis. Then do baby shower. What is baby shower now when?
No, baby shower, the definition of baby shower now, the process whereby the friends of the woman wake the belly go organize something like a kind of small party, then they go invite all their friends, then go come sit down, talk about the belly where they carry.
When they take give and the belly, how they take give and the style, whether a snake and
why you ask me when you know the answer now?
No, I just the add. Sorry, I continue.
No, I don't. The definition.
So now be baby shower. Now the baby shower be that. Now normal baby shower be say girl will get balance now take here and go invite her friend before she born. No. Say make them come come on, I thank God for this belly where then give me Then the guys her friend go come buy cloth, baby nappy, all those things.
They go drink some kind wine and eat some small
like how you know all those things, puff yellow, garden egg and granite. But this one will happen for Abuja. Now 3 friends. Where do the baby shower at the same time? And they are belly at the same size.
I couldn't tell you. They say, if you look up, not that belly at the same size.
Not the same size, all they are belly.
It can't be like, say, all of them, maybe not one man give them.
Thank you! Oh! For the first time in your life, you don't talk something that makes sense.
Yeah, Nedu, how you go talk
for
like
the
that now?
first time in your life, I didn't be, because, me check this thing. This thing feel the
Nedu, why your body there? Why you the ginger onto this matter?
Wait now, you see, this can baby shower. Now it go happen to Hafsat, Doralicious, and Genevieve. Is it it's gonna give them bella at the same time? Poor. Then three go do baby shower at the same time. So now because they talk, me and Katim be the reason this thing. Now one person give them bella. I've been at different people. One first get belle, come call the other one. Hello, Kiruka.
I be you. You don't enter.
You don't enter. Kiruka can say no. It be like.
Nah, lad.
Nah, lad. He don't enter. Oh, God win.
We don't get belle in a God win.
So now they do baby shower. Anyway, more leave that story. The one when he be say.
No, this one
happen today.
No be baby shower.
This one be baby shower.
This one na another baby shower raised to the power two.
This one person die.
Na two of them.
Not be sweet story.
No.
Person die.
Now the matter will make the person die.
Now the matter will make the person die.
You know, if person die these days, they could say, what's happening? Sick.
He died after a brief illness. But this one, I don't know how good to talk him. He died after a brief wiping.
No, because say we they like to talk about wiping, but I don't see the what happened in the world of Nigeria.
In Frido, sit the pen, Frido.
Yes,
that's it now.
So you will die due to a very brief wiping. But I know the comma inside the wiping, I know that the wiping was conducted by
two girls.
How old are these girls?
Wait, the man where they wipe way die. Now 70 years old man.
Chai!
Village head for Obuako. Obuako, Mbito, local government area of Imo State.
You sabi the place, I think.
I don't know. But Uzamaka go know. My wife go know where.
Hey, fine woman.
She go know. Then one age now, one of the guys now 14 years old.
Chai!
The other one now 16 years old. So the guy then wipe the man for hotel. Now the wipe now kill the man.
Where these kills from?
Now from the same village now. Now. When make me want advise young men out there.
No, not be young men. Now only
men.
Young men.
Okay, men. Even easy beat. All of them. K-Solo. Banky W. Hear me now. I'm advising you people.
Yeah.
Wait.
Whiskey.
No, all of them.
You know, say yesterday, another matter.
Leave that one. Tomorrow. You know why they advise them? This man now don't die. This 14 years old and 16 years old. Imagine what they're going to tell the man. Baby, give it to me. Give me like a moving train. Give it to me like a moving train. No. The man self gonna do. Hey, my sister can't move like a moving train. I'm moving like a snail because.
Help me move.
When the man won't come try himself, whap him. What? Akoko.
Maybe.
Now he die.
Maybe not yours. Maybe the die start like this.
The guy gonna say, "Oh, baby, I'm giving it. You give it to you." And the man die go now. If that man reach heaven now, how you go take God?
Hey!
Angel go say, what happened to you?
He go say,
the man go say, nah, Angel, actually, I went for fellowship.
Say, that you no plan on me, be like that,
Anyway, sorry. No make it not be like say we bad.
No.
Say we dey talk wiping too much. Not be so.
We want to talk about. I tell you, say the pem for the row. See the pem for what happened today. The thing where they happen today. And you could see the pem for. So no be we they talk this thing.
See the pem for. So and now what happen now with the talk. So men, one girl they tell you give it to me harder. Now devil walk. Now devil they blow breeze from here. Say devil I resist you and walk away. Now, the topic of today's show, before we go talk to those children,
no,
una go say every day they bring wiping. But this one, a topic when it be say, it they happen. In fact, the person why they say, see, what be this city pen? Forgive me everything, city pen. Organize city pen for now.
Hashtag city pen simply mean that the definition of city pen waiting happen. Tang you case so na God go bless you.
Okay.
So I ba the spirit. And I for the spirit ko. You have to
City pen for me what happened today. Anyway, the matter of what we go discuss today, the matter of one man we don't dey prison already. As we dey follow talk so now, this guy dey kri prison. Now, what be the matter? The thing wey happen when make the man enter prison, the man dey innocent.
Are you telling no, Nedu?
No, not from the gist. Yeah, the man dey innocent.
But
now only one person I go feel free the man from the prison where the man did. Now, the thing wey can happen be say, this man already enter for inside prison. The man already enter prison already. Now, the person where feel free the man come out from prison. Now, the organ of the top. I know we call the person who go feel free.
No, but that okay. You know say come out inside the matter.
Wait, make we just give the main gist. Now this guy don't marry, but he never get children. Now the guy wife now come meet him for prison for the normal visit. Say that man, they tell him say if in one make they release the husband,
He need to wait in.
go wipe am.
Bam.
Now when make us they ask, if you be this man where they prison, and your wife they outside, and the man alive in prison, then give him. Because na person will die matter, and not be him. If you be the man when they for inside prison, you go allow, give your wife approval, say, go and wipe that man, make them release me.
So if they can't release the anyway, Niruma will go market.
Anyway, when we go market, when we come back, then go down sit down, then we go discuss the matter proper. Still on top of the night show, easy bit, easy bit, just keep quiet.
No ask easy bit this thing. You go ask him.
Easy bit. Just never for you, I don't go ask him for. I'm gonna ask easy bit. I don't know to feel it from away. I don't know to feel it